Working with the Petro.
Yes po, yes po.
So, gano'n po siya kalayo po sa ano? Yung isang train pass, gano'n po siya, ano po yung distance niya between sa stand defense?
Yun po yung di ko pa po na-check po. But it's closer to, I believe it's closer from Mets to yung sa training. I mean, it's mas closer po yung training camp po niya. If I'm not mistaken.
Sir, yung meeting na pa rin po, kind of sir, sa preview na rin po ng the possible finalist for men's pole vault sa Paris. So siguro ano lang po yung sabi ko din sa trajectory po ni EJ ever since he got those new poles po for Pampanga.
Sorry po, medyo
Sorry.
mahina po.
Right, nung meeting na Paris po parang medyo preview na po siya ng possible finalist po for Paris. So ano po yung masasabi niyo po sa trajectory po ng performance ni EJ in the build-up for the Olympics?
Yes, so yung goal naman po is Olympics, no? So I think these are yung mga opponents dyan po, no? So it's a good challenge. It's you know, you can see, you can adjust whatever you can in your training and all. But you know, like I said po, no, let's just wait what he can accomplish in Olympics, and we're just positive and we'll be there 100% to support him.
Thank you.
Okay, so no more concerns as regards to the polls of EJ. Wala nang hinahabol pang polls. Yun na lang talaga nasa kanya ngayon ang mga i-adjust, di ba, na break-in na ni EJ. Ano bang huling usapan ninyo with EJ?
Yes, actually we have a second set of polls.
Okay.
No? It's already in communication with him. It's just a backup. No?
Okay.
At least it's better to have like a backup also. But everything else is okay. The logistics, he was able to get our also so basically everything's okay na rin naman.
Kailan napasok sa village? Athletes Village, like was the opening of the mismo, di ba? The training venue or the
Yes.
Olympic venue for athletes.
So we're just waiting for POC. We're in communication naman po with POC. They let us know as soon as we get the final dates, know where we can enter the village, where yun po. Maganda naman po yung communication namin with POC, but they'll be the one to tell us kailan po kami makakapasok.
Are all of them joining the parade? Olympic, during the Olympic opening?
I believe no po, no, because there's a limited number of participants. It's of course, I mean, basically the list will be from POC po. I'm not sure how many, but I believe there's a certain number of participants that can parade lang po. So I'm not sure if everyone will be there or if
Wala pang invite sa kanila kung sino man sa kanila.
if I'm not mistaken, Lauren Hopon is included, but I'm checking if other and of course our president also. So, but in terms of other sports, I'm not really sure.
Sir Jen, the last time na naka-medal ang Philippines Athletics was 1936 by Miguel White. And right now, we have 3 qualifiers. And ang pinakamalapit is EJ, no? But recently, si EJ na 4th place. And yung talon niya is hindi niya naabot yung usual niya na 580. No? Is that a sort of concern sa inyo sa pagkapa? Dahil we aim for a medal, but kung yung atleta natin parang bumababa yung level, napag-uusapan niyo ba sa pagkapa na something i-link up yung spirits ng tatlong atleta natin?
Well, not really, no. EJ has been there for a lot of, things. challenges. He's been competing with a lot of high competitions. He knows it already. And at the same time, just to correct also, he already jumped 597. He already jumped 592. No, 590 plus. He already jumped 6 meters last year. So it's like I said before, no, everyone's like parang kung ano man po mangyari doon, no, it's really up to them, but we just need to believe with EJ. In terms of his PB season's best, I think he's there, no? Always there. Yun po.
Yung mga Olympics natin na ayudahan ng 500K from Senator Bongo, yung tatlo ba natin, ay si EJ nabigyan na, yung dalawang atleta natin, meron na ba kayong schedule na mabibigyan sila ng 500,000 from the Senate?
That I have to check. I have to check for. But just to add also, no, Lauren and John is both young athletes. John's like turning 23, and Lauren will just turn 25. So definitely these two national athletes will be, more better in the next Olympics, or if not, like the future.
They're just starting. They will count on number of Olympic appearances surely.
Yes.
Diba? And I think EJ also is, I think, in top 5 na merong personal best, di ba? Kasi from 6 meters to 5.9 na lang yung lahat ng
Yes,
practice.
sobrang hirap po, no, yung po na yung achieve ni EJ, no? So hopefully, no, we go the best, but I don't wanna, like I said, we don't want to put pressure much with our athletes.
Well, one thing na nangyari kay EJ, it can happen to anyone, even to the best of the world. Best in the world, pwede bumaba, tayo. Sino ngayon yung mga nasa team ni EJ ngayon na nakatutok sa kanya?
Yes, so
Sa aspect, yung team Robiana niya, sino ngayon?
so it will be of course Coach Vitaly Petro and Dr. Antonio Hugueta, who's his physio, Dr. E.T. He has also a psychologist in the name of Dr. Sharon Kasuka. So, yun po.
Tatlo, ano? Anong nationality? Yung dalawa, yung Fisho, yung
They're both, if I'm not mistaken, they're both Italian po.
like that.
If I'm not mistaken.
Yes, Edwin Royon.
Good morning, Sir Jasper.
Yes, sir.
Question ko hindi sa Olympics. Kasi lately, may ni-raise na issue si Elma Muros. Knowing Elma Muros, the athletic icon, pag sinabi niyang may ganito problema, at pagdating sa talent, hindi natin matatawaran. Kasi she coached the JRU 3 times na 3 straight years champion. So yung mga talent, talagang alam ni Elma pagdating sa recruitment. Ngayon yung question na raise niya is nawawala daw yung ganun nga, yung program in the aspect of recruitment. Then maraming atleta daw na i-recommenda siya pero hindi tinanggap ng coaching staff. Mas pinapuran yung mga old-timer, mga overstaying. So, what can you say about this, Sir Jasper?
Yes.
Meron bang ginagawang programa ang Patapat
Yes.
para mabago yung ganitong klaseng kalakaran?
Yes po. As you guys know, I was appointed by the mid of January, so just this year. So we made a lot of plans. I've studied a lot of things also. So we have recommendations and preparations in place. Actually, we have a stats already, like the top rankings of all the locals, all the other overseas athletes also that we're making. Then we're checking, selecting, like the best. If it's already in our standard, why not? But there's a process also. we can just put, we can just remove. But there's probations ongoing, there's recommendations in place ongoing. So definitely we're checking this, especially our local athletes. As you can see also, we've been sending a lot of local athletes to different competitions. Aside from our Olympic aspirants, we've been sending a lot of our national athletes to compete internationally. We have a lot of promising athletes. Actually, I can name it already. In the case of Leonard Grosme, he's a high jumper, record holder. Frederick Ramirez, a 400 runner, is defeated now. And Michael Del Prado, son of our Olympian Isidro Del Prado. And we have Jose Lorania, who's a very young kid, 100 runner. There's a lot, no? As you guys can see, we've been sending them international. So we're di namin napapabayaan our local athletes also.